Got a 1972 Nova here up at Maple Motors for $16,900. I'm going to take you on a test drive. You'll see a walk around description of this car. Please check my videos. I just posted one right before this. It's got a little small block 350 in it. Stock number 229 up at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Go ahead, give me a call, 615-822-4444. I'll try to help you out. Let's go for a ride. All right. Take you down the road and point out any kind of problems or issues that I find. Hopefully I can give you a good description on this car. Straight down the road. It's got good acceleration. Speedometer's working, your tip gauge is working. Same with the oil pressure and your battery, RPMs, and your gas gauge. Looks like everything's working. It's also got a clock here on the dash. It's kind of a cool little setup with the miles. Got the vintage AC. It blows hard. Try the radio out here. Don't look like the radio works. This thing's actually got a pretty good ride to it. Check our horn. Looks like it's hooked up. All right. Popped a little bit when I first got down on it. Seemed to take off pretty good after that. If you have any other questions on these cars, I'll try to help you out. I appreciate you watching. I've got 100 detailed pictures of each one. Email me, maplemotors@aol.com. I'll get those over to you. Check my website, maplemotors.com. We get classic muscle cars every single day. And I appreciate you watching again. Thanks, guys.